In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple and easy way to make money online from home. This method works worldwide and you can make $100 or £100 every single day from this method. So watch this video until the end to learn the 3 ways that you can make money from online and all the free tools which I'm going to show you that you can use it to make money. So watch the video until the end. Before that, if you really like my video, subscribe, like and share. And if you want to win £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is like and leave a comment, I like this video. So first thing you need to understand the ways that you can make money from it. Then I'm going to show you the tools that you can utilize to make money. The first thing we can call it a freelancing route. If you don't have any experience in freelancing or technical skill, but don't worry, this tool do the hard work for you, so you have to manage it, that's it. But I'm going to show you the couple of ways that you can use these tools for freelancing, which is the method number 1. So you can see here, this person's doing YouTube intro or social media intro for their videos. They are charging various amount, and the number 1 person charging around £11 or roughly $13, and this person has around 371 review, and this person again you can see £7 and they are charging around, and they have a review around 847. So they have a good experience and they were working on freelancing side more than years, guys, that you can see. So the simple intro, and they are charging this amount of money, and the tools I'm going to show you will do that for you. The second on the freelancing is, you can see, slideshow. The companies or the people are looking to make a slideshow or photo slideshow. You can make those slideshow with this tool and send them, and you can make money. You can see this person charging around £7 and this person is charging around £30. You can say this is the Fiverr choice. Fiverr picked this person as their number 1 choice. And again, another way to make money on Fiverr is creating an ad for social media. The people running online business, they're looking for the people to make the ad for them. So for the Instagram, Facebook or Google, so you can charge a pretty good amount of money to do that, and this tool will do that for you, because this tool has everything that you need to put together with the customer information to make this ad. Simply, so you can see this person is making the ad using Canva, but we are not going to use Canva. We're going to use a different tool for you, that guys. So and this is the first way that you can make money from it as a freelancer. The second way that you can make money is from YouTube. That you can see this person is making videos on health, right? So you can see this is a video about jumping rope. You can see this video is around 5 minutes, and if you open that video, you can see simple royalty-free videos. There's a text will appear. I think they use a similar tool which I'm going to show you, and they have a voiceover. But I'm going to also do additional tools that you can do a voiceover for free. So watch it carefully until the end to learn these tools that you can utilize to make YouTube video without showing your face or recording your own voice or editing any video, guys. Now, this is the second method, basically make money from YouTube. The third way I'm doing it is from affiliate marketing. So when you find an affiliate network like ClickBank, Max Bounty, JVSU, so any of those affiliate network, find an affiliate product that you want to promote. For example, health and fitness, it's always convert best. The next one is business, and third one is technology. So you can see I find this is the product I want to promote. So what you have to do now, you need to give value for the customer to convert them. So you can't just do the review, you can't just promote, and you can't just post this link on any social media. So you need to give them value. So I'm going to go to this website called killerplarticle.com, where you can find these free article for reuse, resales for any purposes for most of the categories. After you find the articles, this is one of the articles I want to promote. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing with my second method. I'm going to make a YouTube video for that. Again, I'm going to show you how you can make that YouTube video very simple within a couple of minutes. And my main target is make money from affiliate marketing rather than YouTube. So I don't worry about monetization, or I don't worry about subscribers on YouTube, because my main target is affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you the tools that you can use to make money. Watch it carefully here. There's 2 tools The first one is the doing everything for you. The second tool is the voiceover tools that you can use for your YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you. The two tools are free, but there's a paid version. I'm not promoting these tools because I'm not part of with them. I'm not affiliate with them, so I'm recommend these tools if you are starting as a complete beginners and looking to make money. So like this video before I show the tools, guys. So the first tool is called Videograph.com. Again, you can see here, if you go to explore section, that you can see this video allow to make intro for YouTube. You can make a promo video, online video. You can edit it online video editor. Basically, you can edit a video here. You can make ad. That you can see, you can make ad here, Instagram video, YouTube video editors. You can see here again slideshow makers, outro movie makers, and you can see YouTube end screen templates. So there's a couple of things that you can do. You can edit video, at the same time you can make videos. That you can see lots of companies are working with them, and you can see pretty good new website, and there's modern looking editing skills. You can see these are the things that are harder to find any other editing softwares. Again, there's a freshing version, there's a free version, there's a paid version. I'm going to show you how you can use the free version to make money, and why you need a paid version, but it's very cheap, guys. So if you go here and after signing up with them, click this one called create, and it will take to this page. Here is the backend or the dashboard. You can see if you click pre-made template, over 3,000 plus templates are here, that you can use any of these templates to make your own videos. So you can use this one to make a slideshow, or you can use any of these and make a YouTube intro for different type of channels, for fitness or travel, or different channels. There's a different templates are there that you can use to make money. It's a basic that. Okay, now if you want to make a YouTube video, basically a video like this one, all you have to do is you have to go to, after you create an account with them, go to top of the page, and you can click this one called text to video, and there's a 50 plus themes are there. And here there's a 3 different types. This is the one we are using for YouTube, and this is the one people are using. Second one is the people are using for Instagram, and this is the one people are using for TikTok, vertical one. So if you want to create TikTok, you can make a simple video from here. You can see these templates are here, 50 templates are here. So you can see it's very similar templates like this one. So what you have to do now, pick a template, anything that you want. So for example, if we go with this template, and you can select the size and use this template. So you select the YouTube size and choose this template. Now you have to do add heading and the story. Now what you have to do, go to your article again. This is your title or heading. Copy that, go back, paste it on your heading here. Now you need to add your story. It's better to add a different section of the story, because if you add all the story at once, it's a little bit complicated, but again this tool automatically split that for you. So you copy that story here and paste it on here and click next. Or you can add your URLs, and you can add your own video file. You can add it on here. Now what you do, click next, and it said, hey, that's too much text on the scene. Do you want us to rearrange it for you? Click rearrange text. It will automatically arrange it in a different scene. Then click next. It will take a couple of seconds to add relevant videos or the pictures for your scene, guys. Now you can see they add the scene and they add the video for you. So if you add the play button, the music will appear here. You can see. So they don't do voiceover, which I'm going to show you the second tool that you can use to do that. Now you can see they split the scene and they add the pictures and the voice and the text on that. So basic video is done. Now if you want to add a voiceover, what you have to do, you have to render this file, download it, and you need to go to this website called Clipchamp. I already made a video on that. Now what you have to do, same thing you have to do, copy and paste entire articles on Clipchamp. It will, again, this is the video making software, but you can only turn them into voice. Then you download that video file without any video. Then you can use any video edited, combine 2 files. Basic ideas. You need to use your creativity to do that. Okay, you can take voiceover from here and combine with video from video click here, and you can use to make that final video if you want to go with a YouTube route. But if you want to go with a affiliate marketing route, it is fine. Go here and click render the file, and they will render the file from here. You can download it here. This is the problem with a free plan that you can see here, pricing section. With the free plan that you can make, you can see, and you can download, I think it's the 60 videos per month, HD videos. Again, you can't remove the watermark from that. And here you can see here, after you render the file, there's a watermark on here, But if you don't have any money, but you want to go with affiliate marketing route, so don't worry about that watermark. What you can do, if you open new video editor, free video editor on computer, after you download that, mask this one with your own logo. And here what you can do, there you can put word say that your link in the description, something like that, to mask that watermark, basically, if you don't have any money, basically, right? Again, but there's an alternative to the free version. You can see here, they only give you 50% off. Again, I'm not affiliate, I'm not promoting this off here, but you can get 50% off today for annual, so you can get around 60 bucks for that for EM. But even that you don't have any money, you can see, try it free for 14 days or try it free for 14 days. So if you go with a business plan that you can make 60 video per month, HD quality 1080p, but if you free version only 720p, so 60 videos you can make with 1080p. Or if you go with the unlimited plan that you can make 1080p plus unlimited video, which means you have a 14 days. So you free plan that if you are going with affiliate marketing route or YouTube, make that articles, compile, gather enough articles, like 100 articles, something like that. Use these tools to make that video within that 14 days periods. Download those videos, okay? Then cancel the subscription. You now have around 100 videos for your YouTube channels, guys. So you can do like that. But if you are going with the freelancing route, don't worry, because when you get the gig, then you can register for the 14-day free trial. Right? If we do 2-3 gigs, you can make enough money, so you can pay them monthly or yearly, guys. If we up to you guys. Again, so these are the 3 different ways that you can use this tool to make money from freelancing, YouTube, and affiliate marketing. Again, it's for complete beginners. If you don't want to go with freelancing, then you can go with the YouTube and affiliate marketing. First, you can combine together. So go with affiliate marketing. When your channel starts to grow, then you can change your video making style completely, guys. So I hope you understand this video. Basically, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money from online, working from home, with using free tools and 3 different ways. So if you like this video, leave a like and comment and share this video. Again, if you want to win £10 PayPal money, you know the drill. Like this video, leave a comment, I like this video, or any topic I want to cover in next video, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you in next video.